talk about a shell-shocking experience. After surviving a tornado that toppled pine trees onto his enclosure, Myrtle the tortoise, who is actually a he despite the feminine name, endured weeks alone before being rescued. While his slow and steady approach to life probably helped him survive, I'm certain this wasn't the adventure he signed up for. It's heartwarming to see the Emanuel family reunited with their scaly friend amid all the destruction. In a world full of chaos and tragedy, sometimes it's these small moments of joy, finding a beloved pet alive, that help families begin to heal.